Now I am going to show you one important thing that I actually missed in previous section. That is, if you go to the pricing option or the package option, you will see that there is a maximum tickets option, right? So when you will go to buy any ticket, then you should check the maximum option. For example, I want to buy this ticket, login to buy, it is okay. Now I am going to log in as Smith 1234. Okay. So now I want to buy this ticket, and here what I can do, here is the tickets, it is okay. Now I am going to pricing, and here I want to buy this ticket, for example. So what will happen actually here you see this ticket has the maximum expired date. So each item should have a maximum expired date. If I go to the tickets, how many tickets for a particular package is bought, how I can understand. Here you see how many tickets are bought. From the total tickets I will get the information. So when you will come here, you want to buy any ticket, then it will show. For example, I am going to the buy.php page. So here is buy.php page. So here I am going to check if all tickets are sold for this package. Okay, so I will check it. So from the tickets page, I will check where the package ID. So you come here where package ID, and I will also check okay, package ID is okay. If package ID equal to 2 or 3, this thing I will check. So here let's check it. So request of ID means here the package ID, because I come into the buy.php page using the package ID. So I have the package ID in my hand, that means the request of ID is package ID here. So from the tickets I am going to check the package ID. So now not total, here I am going to get the result equal to a statement face all. Then I am going to use for is, and here it can be result as row. So I am going to check it total sold tickets. So for by this package ID I am going to get, here you see total tickets, I have a thing in my hand, so I use that total tickets. So total sold tickets equal to this. So total sold tickets, for example, outside it will be 0, and when I will run the loop, then in this way I will get the total sold tickets. Now my check is if the total sold tickets is equal to or greater than or equal to which one, that is the package data. Here you see the package data. So package data of not total tickets, it will be package data. I am going to the packages table to open. So here packages data has the maximum tickets. So package data of maximum tickets. So package data you see here. So package data 0 of maximum tickets. So for example, 10 tickets already have been sold. So if you want to have the maximum tickets, so total sold tickets is equal to this. No, not this way. Actually I will first check here if all tickets are sold. So equal will be happened here. So here this one. So if the total sold tickets is equal to maximum tickets, then you cannot buy any tickets here. So here I can show a message, that is, for example, error message. So something like that I can show, and then I will redirect the user to the pricing page. So here I will show him there is an error, that is all tickets for this package are sold. So now if I refresh here, you see offset value type null 36. So this offset is because if the total tickets equal maximum tickets, If I give this on, yes, now it is okay. Actually not package data of maximum tickets I will have to use here, not 0. Okay, so this is the package data. Okay, so package data max tickets. So if this happens, then it will go you out of this. So this is one thing. So now I manually will do that. How many tickets are sold, how I can show here. So outside here under each one you can show it that there are total these tickets available. So here you can show here. So for example, in the pricing page, that means in the pricing.php page, so I am going there, and here I am going to take the data, that means the package ID. So after getting the package ID, before this one, total items I can show here before buy ticket. So in this here, in this location, I can give maximum total tickets on total tickets remaining 0, for example. So here you can show total remaining tickets remaining. So like this, class equal to and margin bottom 10 and text denser, for example, text denser. So red color will come here. So tickets remaining this. So this is a good way to show. So how I can calculate the tickets remaining? So when I will check each particular package, so in this case I can run another one, that is here PHP select, and in the tickets table I will check. So I am already into here result row. So here I am going to use the queue. So queue, so select all from tickets where package ID equal to this one, that is row of ID. And now I am going to get all the data from the tickets for this package, and total ticket equal to, here I give total tickets sold equal to, for example, first time 0, and then I am going to get total tickets. So total tickets sold equal to total tickets sold plus this one. So here I will get the total tickets remaining means the maximum tickets minus. So in the packages table there is maximum tickets minus this total tickets sold. So this is the remaining tickets. So here I call PHP echo this one. So this is a variable. So like this. So let's check it, refresh, you see total tickets remaining 10. Now let's check it. Here is 10. So 10, 14, 5. So calculation is not working here. I am going to tickets, and here I am going to check where package ID, and total tickets will be with here. So total tickets sold, how many total tickets sold, I am going to check total tickets sold and results. Sorry, here my wrong thing is here actually queue, here it will be queue, otherwise not, and here is not result, here is for example tickets data as not row, it will be here item. So item of total tickets, and this row is this table row, this row. So this is okay, no problem. So now let's check it again. So now it should work. You see that ticket for the standard remaining 7. So used tickets here total 10, that means used are 3. So go here in the tickets, so 3 is sold or not. So package ID 1, it has 3. Okay, and for the package ID 2, first 2 items, sold tickets is 7. So what is remaining? If 7 is sold, then more 7 is remaining. If I go here and write here total 10 here also, then what will be the remaining tickets total 3. Now refresh, you see it is 3, and here is total tickets, you see 5. So here if I go here in the tickets, you see 2 items are sold, so 5 minus 2, so here is total 3. So it is working. So if there is 0, so that means here I give the maximum tickets, for example 7. So if it is 7, that means all are sold. No, sorry, so 3. Here for example I give maximum ticket is 3. So update the data. So you see total remaining tickets 0. If remaining is 3, I can go to this page, but if remaining is 0, if I want to go to this page, it will tell me all tickets for this packages are sold. As all the tickets are sold, you cannot go to the buy page, but you can go in this page. So this is one thing. So this task is completed here. So I am going to copy this thing, and in the home page the same thing will be happen. So I am going to the index page. So here is index page, and the ticket code was here. So here I paste it similarly, and so if I go to the home page, here you see total tickets remaining 0. If I want to go, I cannot go there. And when there is 3, what will happen? Now I will show you that. In the buy, you see total remaining tickets are only 3. So you can maximum you can buy here 3 tickets. So you cannot go to 4, 5 or like this. So the remaining tickets is very important here. So I am going to the buy option again. So total tickets sold is this. So what is the remaining tickets? So remaining tickets, total remaining tickets equal to the maximum tickets, package data of maximum tickets minus total sold tickets. So this is actually total remaining tickets. This one I will apply here in this buy page, here where I increase the value. Here you see max equal to 100. So instead of 100, here I will call echo total remaining tickets. Now go here, refresh. You see here total remaining tickets are 3. So you cannot go exceed 4, only 3. So 1, 2, 3. Similarly, if I go back, you see here is also 3. So I am going to increase the value. For example, here I am going to give it 15. Okay, so 15. So if I go back, refresh, you see here is 8 tickets remaining now. So now you can go up to 8 tickets, not more than that. And where there is 3, you can go to buy only 3, not more than that. So I hope you have understood the logic behind the maximum tickets. Now I am going to show you another thing that I actually mistaked. That means when you are going to delete any attendee, then what I did, that is I am going to the admin attendee panel, and here attendee delete. So I deleted all the data from the users table, that is okay, and from the tickets, because I have the attendee data into the tickets table. If I go to open the tickets table, you will understand there is user ID. But there was actually another table also, that was the messages table, right? So here is the messages. Here I also use the user ID. So from this table it will also deleted. So here I am going to add the extra code here and delete data from the messages table. Okay, so here it will be messages. So where user ID equal to this. So if there is any message conversion, so it will also be deleted from here. So this was a fix. And another one I am going to show you, that is when I am going to delete the package. So if I want to delete any package, so here is the package delete. So package delete, you see I only delete the data from the package, but the package is also entered into the tickets. For example, if I go to the tickets, so from here I will also have to delete the package ID. So here I will have to delete data from the tickets table. Here I will also have to write this one. So this is delete from tickets. So from the tickets table I will delete the data where package ID equal to this. So this too was actually the extra things I forget to work with. So it is okay. Now I am going to show you an important thing, that is, for example, I put admin enter. You see it is not redirecting to the login page, but it can be happen that a person wants that this is the website, the main website, and if he wants to go to the admin panel, just he will write admin and enter. So the login page or login form should come, but you see there is no login form. So I am going to show you one thing. In the htaccess file, I am going to add these 2 lines. So in the htaccess, I add these 2 lines. So if I add these 2 lines in the htaccess, it can be bottom or in the top, you can add anywhere. That means if a person hit the admin, the request URI is admin, then rewrite rule is this. That means he will be redirected. Here you see 302 means redirection. So it will redirected you to the admin and login.php page. So now if I just press enter, you will see it is redirecting you to the admin login.php. So I hope you understand this. So this is one thing. And another important thing is, for example, I am going to hit the URL, that is the uploads. So uploads folder, you see all the photos are showing here. So this is a security best practice. So in the uploads folder, what I will do, you will see if I go to the uploads folder, here you see all are the photos. So here for the security, I can create a new file that can be index.html. You can keep this file empty, or here you can put something like that. That means you can put here, you do not have permission sufficient or permission to access this space. You can put something like that in the empty HTML. That means in the index.html, you can just write this line. So now if a person wants to hit the uploads folder, he will see you do not have permission to access this space. That means he will not be able to see your folders, right? So this is for the security purpose. I am going to show other items also, because not only that, I have config file. For example, if you want to give here config.php, you see the request URL was not found in the server. It is okay for the config. And here I am going to show other folders that can be vendor folder. So let's try with the vendor folder. So in the vendor folder, you see all the things are showing. So you should have the copy, or here I am going to copy the index.html page, copy, and in the vendor I am going to paste it. So now if you want to see the data, it is not possible. You do not have permission to access this space. Okay. Now I am going to check other folders. Uploads folder, I applied it. In the vendors folder, I applied it. All the folders are here. Layouts. So if some person want to give the wants to see the code, you see there can be error or many other things. So here similarly in the layouts folder, I put the HTML. So now refresh, you do not have permission. Now dist front is another one. So if you give here dist front, so dist front, so the same problem is here. So here in the dist front, you can put the HTML. So you see you do not have access. But in this case, if you want to click the subfolder like CSS, the same problem happens. So the better practice is in all the folders you have to paste it. So in the CSS I put index.html, in the fonts I put, here I am going to paste, so index.html, in the images I put, that is the paste index.html, and in the images you see dist front images, it is not no longer my image folder, because I put all the images in the uploads folder. So dist front images, I do not need any of the images that are given here. So testimonial, speaker, all the items I am going to remove from here. So remove from here, logo, index.html, gallery, favicon, item. Okay, so I can straight remove it. So move to bin. So images not needed. Okay. So in the JS folder, similarly, I am going to paste the index.html so that he cannot access in any of the pages. So similarly, this admin here, I am going to paste it. In the CSS, I am going to paste it. And in the img folder, I am going to paste this on. In the JS folder, I am going to paste it. In the tinymc, I am going to paste it. And then web fonts, I am going to paste it. So okay, now I am going to admin, and in the admin actually there was a layout, so paste it here. So it is okay. So all other things are okay, and in the vendor there can be many things. I do not need to give security for those, so because those are vendor, no problem at all. So my basic task is done here. So I close everything that I applied here. Now I will show you another important thing, that is 404 page setup. You see that there can be many errors many ways. Here you see, for example, setting favicon.php, but for example someone put here like this. So you see not found, it is okay, but in some cases this can be a problem, and the PHP error can come in front of you. So in order to avoid this type of not found or other things, you can create a 404 page in there. That means in the main page. So in the root, I can create a 404.php, and I can custom make it. For example, I can contact.php page copy, and here 404 page, this one I put here, and I am going to remove this one, and here I can call this is 404 error, for example. And if I get any type of error here, then I am going to put that is called mg12, and here is p. The any message you can put here for the 404 page here. So it will be like this. The content here, actually I can show it like this. Which one is what I shown, that is like this, something like that. So not found, the requested URL was not found on that server. So here I can show like this. So from here you can go back to the home page or previous page or something like that, and if you want you can just skip the header here, so that no header comes, or it actually depends how you want to show it. So normally a person do not show the banner and all other things in the 404 page. So banner can come, but other things you can avoid. It depends actually. So if you want to show the 404 page.php, you see this is actually the 404 page error. So normally you can make it in many ways. If you want, you can just leave it and just make the completely give it skip it here, and here tell 404 error, and here you can tell that is the p. So here you can just put the paragraph here. So this is also okay, 404 page error, but normally it does not look good. So what I do, we normally make a 404 page layout. We use here in the case of 404 page. So it can be many ways. You can use a basic HTML also here, that is you can give here that is 404 page 404 error, and here into the body you can just put something like that, and I am going to give it. So this will be just a layout, good layout. Now you can call here the bootstrap and other things, or CSS or something like that. So here if I want to use this style, and here container, if I call here, so in this way you can put here, and the body background color you can change. For example, I am going to give the background color here, I am going to change it to something red. So this can be here. So here if you click here, hexadecimal color comes here. So in this way, and text align center, and you can make it many ways. You can show it here like this. Okay, So you can also show like this. So if I use a dark color here like this, so normally color will be here white, so it is okay. So 404 page means this type of error will come. And margin top here I can give 200 pixel, so it will be like this. And back to home page, here you can call a button to back to the home page. So back to home page. So home page means here in that case you will need to have the config, otherwise you cannot call the base URL, include, and here I can call that will be dot dot, here will be config, so config and then config.php. And so here using the PHP I can call echo base URL, so back to home page or something like that. So refresh, you can from here come to your home page. And here I can use many ways. Here style equal to, or here I can call back to home class, so class equal to here back home. So here I call dot back home, color equal to white here, so like this. Okay, so if I now refresh, you see this one. If you want to shape it like background, so bg display block you can use here or something. I am not actually going to style it, it will take me time. For now this is okay. And now I am going to just put margin top 50 pixel. So like this, it is not working. It is actually my anchor, I can keep it into a div. So this one class equal to back home container. So in the back home container, that back home container, so margin top 20 pixel or 50 pixel, something like that. So now refresh, you see this is okay for the 404 page error. But how this page will come, because when there will be any error here, something .php, you see not found, but there is no 404 page error. So here I will write something into my htaccess. This is the code, I will give you the code, no problem. And this one I will use into my htaccess. So in my htaccess bottom I call like this, so automatically it will detect the rewrite base, and then custom error page will be this. There can be 404 page or 500, 500 or 403. So all will redirect you back to the 404.php. okay, and you can use this way, or only 404 you can show in this way, that's up to you. And redirect file name -f -d, and this will be the 404.php. If you now hit this URL, you see it is taken you to the 404 page.